ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಅ ಗುಡ್ ಮೂವಿ. ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಬೇಕಾದ ಮೂವಿ. ಈ ಜನರೇಷನ್ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಈ ಮೂವಿ ಇಷ್ಟು ಎಂಜಾಯಬಲ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಆದ್ರೆ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಹೋಪಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಸಿ ಮೋರ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಮೋರ್ ಸಚ್ ಕೈಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಮೂವೀಸ್.
ಸೂಪರ್
ಸೂಪರ್ ಸೂಪರ್ ಸೂಪರ್ ಇತ್ತು ಮೂವಿ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿತ್ತು. ಸೂಪರ್ 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 ಮೂವಿ ಎಡ್ಡೆತ್ತುಂಡು. ಸೂಪರ್ ಮೂವಿ ಎಡ್ಡೆತ್ತುಂಡು. ಸೂಪರ್.
It was very nice and I like to see the movie. It was very nice and I like to see.
I also like so much. The movie was very beautiful. ಒಳ್ಳೆದಿತ್ತು. ಮನೆಗೆ ಮತ್ತೆ 10 kg ಹೋಯ್ಕೆ ತಂಗೆ.
ಮಸ್ತು ಎಡ್ಡೆತ್ತು ಫ್ಯಾಂಟಾಸ್ಟಿಕ್. ಚಂದ ಸೂಪರ್
ಚಂದ ಇತ್ತು. ಚಂದ ಸೂಪರ್
ಸೂಪರ್
ನೈಸ್
ಎಕ್ಸಲೆಂಟ್
nice very nice movie.
nice
Movie was nice. It was nice. Super best movie. Best super ಆಗಿತ್ತು. Super
ಚಂದ ಇತ್ತು
super
ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿತ್ತು ಸೂಪರ್.
it was best movie and we learned about the leadership.
It was nice and it was comedy and we learned about leadership.
Very nice first class movie.
First class, super.
ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಫಿಲ್ಮ್ ಭಾರಿ ಶೋಕ್ ಇದ್ದಂಡು.
Movie set ಆತ ನಾವು ಡೈಲಾಗ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ set ಆತ. What a movie, brilliant.
ಮೂವಿ ವಾಸ್ ನೈಸ್
ಮೂವಿ ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿತ್ತು. ಸೇಮ್ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಪಾರ್ಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ನೋಡಿದಾಗ ಸೇಮ್ ರಾಜ್ಯಸಭಾ ಪಾರ್ಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಕಾಣಿದಾಗ ಇತ್ತು. ಮತ್ತೆ ಹೊಯ್ಗೆ ಸೀನ್ ತುಂಬಾ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಯ್ತು.
ಇಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ಎಂಟರ್ಟೈನ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಸೂಪರ್ ಫಿಲ್ಮ್ ಸೂಪರ್ ಆಗಿ.
Arjun and Divya and that one assembly one scene was so good.
Last scene was so emotional. Yeah, and when Arjun comes and speaks about his backstory, it was so emotional.
I like the movie too.
When Arjun spoke, I got emotional and it was the best movie I have seen.
It was super. We enjoyed it.
It was a nice movie. We all enjoyed.
The last scene of the CM was so nice, and the middle scene which he was giving speeches ground was so nice. Divya and Arjun was very nice acting.
Movie was so good.
Movie was so good.
It was nice and it was very comedy. This film is an emotion to 10th standard student.
It was exciting movie.
It was super. ತುಂಬಾ ಚಂದಾಗಿತ್ತು. ಸೂಪರ್ ವೆರಿ ನೈಸ್.
ಸೂಪರ್ ಆಗಿದೆ.
ಸೂಪರ್ ನೈಸ್.
ಸೂಪರ್
Very nice. Super. It was very nice.
It was combined like emotion, thrill and teamwork.
ಚಂದ ಇತ್ತು. ಸೂಪರ್ ಇತ್ತು.
This movie was nice. We learned new things from this movie, and it was the best movie I ever watched.
It was good. The holige part was very good.
The movie was like super, like I never saw that in my life. Yeah.
We taught a new thing from this movie. First class.
ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಫಿಲ್ಮ್.
It was nice. It should get 5 stars. Best film. 5 stars.
Nice movie.
Best cinema. Best film of my life. Super movie. It's a comedy movie.
very good.